Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about one weight loss method which celebrities are enthusiastic about, the alkaline diet. What is alkaline diet? An alkaline diet was originated from the acid-ash hypothesis, which claims that it could change the pH value inside the body. The alkaline diet encourages the consumption of most fruits and vegetables, and omits foods such as meat, dairy, and eggs, most importantly, processed food, which would leave an acidic ash. Also, the diet doesn't mention any specific calories limitation nor activity requirements. The selection of food is highly restricted. So in this video, I will be explaining the weight loss method in ways that both scientific and critical. Now let me explain how the body processes the micronutrients. Step 1. Everything we eat will be broken down by our digestive system and absorbed in the small intestine. The difference is that carbohydrates are broken down into glucose by enzymes and diffuse into capillaries. Then most of them will be used to provide energy and maintain the level of blood sugar, while proteins become individual amino acids, most of which are absorbed and used by cells to synthesize other proteins and a few other macromolecules. Any excessive amount of carbs and proteins will be converted to glycogen first, which in turn become fat and stored in adipocytes. Last but not least, fat. The main type of fat we consume, triglycerides, are especially suited for energy storage. Once broken down, triglycerides are shipped out to cells through the bloodstream. Some of the fat gets used for energy right away. The rest is stored inside cells called lipid droplets. Having said that, how does the body process the food to produce energy? Generally speaking, three major steps are involved. After being digested first, a controlled two-step oxidation occurs, aka the oxidative breakdown of food molecules, whereby consuming oxygen, energy is produced in the form of ATP and NADH via a series of chemical reactions. Performing essential bodily function and performing physical activities are the two major expenders of energy. A person who is resting in bed and does nothing still uses energy to maintain their heartbeat and breathe and so on. Whereas a person who performs more vigorous and intensive physical activities will expend more energy. For example, jogging is more vigorous from a form of exercise than walking, thus more energy expenditure. With regards to alkaline diet, food intake emphasizes on fruit and vegetables over higher calories, higher fat, and high sodium choices, which help provide a feeling of fullness with fewer calories. Fruit and veggies are a major source of vitamins and minerals, including folates, dietary fiber, and potassium, etc. Diets rich in potassium may help to maintain healthy blood pressure and may also reduce the risk of developing kidney stones and help to decrease bone loss. Now that we have discussed the implication and benefits of the diet, let's move on to two major disadvantages. 1. Limited food selections. It is very difficult to follow for most people in the long run. 2. Imbalanced nutrition. Lack of protein, calcium, and vitamin B12 in meal throughout. Many believe that eating more acid or alkaline food makes the blood more acidic or alkaline. As a result, following the alkaline diet alters the pH value of the body. Besides, according to the acid-ash hypothesis, acidic ash is thought to make you vulnerable to illness and disease, whereas alkaline ash is considered protective. For instance, cancer is considered growing in an acid environment and can be cured by alkaline diet. In general, the alkaline diet is healthy because it is based on unprocessed food. However, the notion that the diet boosts health because of its alkalizing effects is suspected. The argument food significantly influences blood pH hasn't been proven by any reliable studies. It is crucial for your health that the pH of your blood remains constant. If it were too far outside the normal range, cells would stop working and you would die very quickly. So, in a nutshell, keep a balanced and healthy diet is more essential than just stick to one specific diet. Hope you all stay healthy and active. Bye.